Hello, my name is Micheal Keena G. Momin. I did my diploma in pediatrics from Patna Medical College. Currently, I am staying in Meghalaya. I work in a hospital, which is Holy Cross Hospital, Tura. It's a 100-bed hospital, and because of the many number of patients we encounter each day, we wanted some extra investigations to perform on patients who come from a very low socioeconomic backgrounds. So I search for many of those things on the website, and I come across this echocardiography courses for neonatal and pediatric patients. So I joined this course on 2021. I did both level 1 and level 2, and I just came for the hands-on training for the last 3 days. First day, I would say I was quite nervous whether I'll be able to achieve my full potential or whether I'll be able to do anything. I was just feeling down also on the first day, but suddenly then when I came, I started under the guidance of Dr. Vikas Kohli sir. It became much easier with all the patients here, the guidance which I get. I think over the next 2 days I was getting more and more confident every day, and by the end of third day I was able to do many things. I was able to diagnose ASD, VSD, and even a mild form of PDA. And all the views, cardiac views, were totally and very well taught to me by Dr. Vikas Kohli sir. I can't get into words how much I'm deeply obligated towards him. It's been a wonderful day, a wonderful time spent out here. The people in DCHC were quite good, and the services I get were quite well. All the staffs are wonderful. I want to say something about Dr. Vikas Kohli sir. He is a wonderful human being and a wonderful teacher, a great person. He is too busy in his work, but somehow he gets time to teach people like me. And I'm so happy actually till this day that I have learned echocardiography through his means. I'm really thankful to Dr. Vikas Kohli sir, and I'll be telling more of people who needed this type of programs, who needed this type of teaching, especially to come here and learn what I have learned over this past 3 days. Now I'm confident enough to screen many patients who may be having cardiac diseases. And Dr. Vikas Kohli sir has already told me that he will give help anytime if I need some help for diagnosing these complex congenital heart diseases. So I'm thankful to this institute and to Dr. Vikas Kohli sir and all the members of the DCHC for this wonderful 3 days time with me. Thank you.